Welcome to the review channel, guys. As you may or may not know, we had a huge ice storm here in northern Michigan, and now that the power's back on, I'm excited to do my dishes and clean my kitchen, except when I turn on my water, it sprays sideways out my sprayer. So we're going to fix this. I ordered a new part. It's this one here. It's a KOHLER. I like the sprayer better than the one I currently have. This looks like it's going to be easier to handle, easier to spray. So let's hook this up and see if it works. The first thing I'm going to have to do is climb under the sink and unhook that hose and unscrew that right there so that I can remove the bracket. I'll loosen up this and I'll be able to take this off and replace it with a new one as well. All right, now when we feed this new one in, we're going to want to make sure we take this off. We'll feed it through this hole, put this back on, and then feed it through this hole and reconnect it to our faucet. Now that that's fed through and that's secured, I've secured it to the bottom here. Now we're going to feed this back in and reattach it to our hot and cold water. Word of advice, if your faucet is symmetrical like mine, make sure your hot's on the right side and your cold's on the right side. Otherwise, your faucets are going to spin the wrong way and be marked wrong. All right, so I got the faucet hooked back up. I got the water hooked back up. Let's turn this on. Water comes out here now like it's supposed to. Let's try the sprayer. And we're spraying again, and not when we don't want to. Everything works. I love it, and I'm glad I bought it.